Stuck trying to update your email or mobile in Zoho Mail? Learn the exact steps to change your primary contact in under 2 minutes. First, we'll access your account settings, then update your email address, and finally verify the change. Let's start. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Then select My Account from the drop-down menu. Now click on Email Address to see your current email options. You'll see a Set as Primary Address button next to the email you want to make primary. Go ahead and click that. A confirmation prompt appears. Click Make Primary to confirm. Since you're editing sensitive info, you'll see a Click here to verify yourself link. Click that. Type in your password when prompted. Then click Confirm Password to proceed. Finally, click Make Primary one more time to complete the update. And that's it. Your email address is now primary. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.